Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix Apple Store billing problem. So let's start. I'm here on my iPhone and let's go to App Store. Okay, so let's go there. And when we are here on App Store, let's go to our account. Let's go to the top right corner in our icon. Just click there and then let's click on our name. And here on our name, let's scroll down and let's go to manage payments. Just click there. In my case, I have this card. Okay, so if you want to edit something, you can do it. And also here, let's go to add made payment, and you can add a credit debit card, a number, the expiry number, the CCV. And when you do it, just go back and let's go to edit. You have to delete this one that is expired, and when you do it, well, you can add a new payment, and with that probably the problem will be fixed because you need a new payment method for going and fix the billing problem on App Store. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.